What's going on, everybody? Josh up here with Lebanon Ford Performance. I'm about to show you a vehicle that I briefly showed you a couple weeks ago, but my video just didn't do it justice, so I had to have Hannah come out and show you this brand new 2019 Ranger. So this is a Ranger Lariat Sport, so it's got the magnetic trim. It's based on obviously the Lariat chassis, full leather interior, touchscreen, all the bells and whistles, but we took it just a step further. Thanks to our friends over at DSI, Mr. Russell Merton, the latest and greatest. He helped us out getting a 3-inch ReadyLift leveling kit. So it's a 3 in the front, 1 in the back. So it still has a very OEM style rake to it, but it sits up just a bit taller, big enough that we can put 20-inch fuel wheels and a 33-inch Nitto RidgeGrapplers tire underneath. That's an all-terrain tire, so it drives very smooth, very much like stock, but has this extremely aggressive look to it that gives it a whole nother styling altogether. So one of the great things about doing business with Lebanon Ford Performance and any vehicle built by Dealer Service Internationals or DSI is that it actually comes with a powertrain coverage, including the lift and anything that it could do to the vehicle. So for 5 years, 60,000 miles, no different than your factory powertrain, DSI is gonna back the lift, the wheels and the tires, the whole kit, just in case anything happens for the long term. The Ranger is obviously brand new for 2019, and this one sets apart from all the rest. You can check this one out at LebanonFordPerformance.com.